To access your scheme of work for coding, go to office.com and click on Teams. Once you go in, you'll get the list of whatever teams you're a part of. The CTI T4 department contains all the coding resources. Click Files, Coding, and Key Documents. Within the key documents you can see the coding scheme for 17-18. If you wish to amend that coding scheme for yourself or for this year, because it's a year old now, we copy the current scheme. This is the location of it. We're happy that it goes back into the same folder. You can tell it to keep both. It'll rename it. So once it's done copying, I refresh so that it'll appear for me. This is a group document that everyone in the team can edit. So when I click in here to edit my scheme of work, edit online, I'm using my online Word to do this. The first thing I'll do is I'll change the name because it's currently 2017-18. So I click at the top to rename the file. And I'll change it for the sake of this to 17-18. Sorry, 18-19. And I'll put my initials at the end of it so that people know that this is particular to my group. Okay. If I don't bother with the initials at the end of it, you could use it as a group document so everybody within the team can edit it. Once I'm happy, I close, and that'll be stored within the team to be accessed at any time. I can also send this document to any other area within Teams by clicking this option and copy. And now we can drop back up here to look at all my other teams. So CTI staff, for example, into the general folder, subject folder, and now I'll be able to find short courses where coding would be located. And within that I have coding short course, and I would copy the file in there, except I've already done it for last year's one. So if there was another one to go in, that's where you'd copy it to.